In the world of copywriting, finding your niche is like discovering the secret ingredient to career success. It's the key to unlocking a fulfilling and profitable career as a copywriter. But what exactly is a niche and why should you choose one? In this video, we'll explore the 6 best copywriting niches for beginners, some of which are valued at over $140 billion. Plus, I'll share 4 important questions that will help you pick the right niche for you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. A copywriting niche is like picking a favorite subject to write about. It's when you decide to write about just one thing, like travel, health, money, or technology. Some copywriters also become specialists in writing a specific type of copywriting, like emails or sales pages for their one particular niche. For example, you might become an email copywriter for e-commerce businesses, or even a sales page copywriter for motivational coaches like I did in the beginning of my career. So why choose a niche? Why not just write for any business that wants to hire you? In the beginning, you can absolutely write for any business. In fact, doing this can even help you figure out what type of niches you like to write about. But choosing a niche can be a game changer in your copywriting career. One of the major reasons for choosing a niche is that it allows you to use your existing knowledge and interest for a particular subject. Do you have a strong desire to travel, passion for technology, or an interest in health and wellness? Writing on topics you care about is not only more enjoyable, but it's also more authentic. Your enthusiasm will come out in your writing, making it more compelling and believable. Now, the second reason for choosing a niche is that clients want to work with copywriters who have experience in their industry. This insider knowledge can lead to more effective and compelling copy, which is exactly what clients want. Imagine you're looking to hire a photographer for your upcoming wedding. Would you hire a general photographer who takes pictures of everything from landscapes to pets? Would you choose a photographer who specializes in capturing wedding photos? I think most people would choose the specialist wedding photographer because they want someone who has experience in taking wedding photos. And copywriting clients are no different. They want to work with a copywriter with industry experience. So choosing a niche is obviously important, but it's just one of the many steps you need to follow to become a successful freelance copywriter. You also need to figure out what to charge, how to get clients, and so much more. Here are 6 of the most popular copywriting niches for you to consider. The finance industry is a billion-dollar industry, which includes many sub-niches like banking, investing, retirement planning, cryptocurrency, and many more. Just think of all of the accountants, financial planners, and investing products and services that we see about on the news and on the internet. So if you're someone who loves writing about money, then writing for the financial industry could be a great opportunity for you. You might also consider the software as a service niche, or SaaS niche. It's an industry that's growing rapidly and is expected to reach $140 billion by 2023. The health and wellness niche is another huge industry that would interest many health-minded copywriters. It's made up of many sub-niches such as mental health, fitness, bodybuilding, nutrition, meditation, yoga, and the list goes on and on. You could also specialize in any of those health-related niches and never run out of business who need a copywriter to write their emails, website copy, and advertising materials. Technology is a growing billion-dollar industry with many opportunities for freelance copywriters who love writing about tech and keeping up with the latest industry trends. Copywriters in the tech niche write about smartphones, gadgets, IT solutions, and more. The real estate industry is another huge niche for you to consider. The size of the real estate industry was valued at $326 trillion in 2020. Now, the e-commerce industry is another big niche to think about. There are estimated to be 12 million e-commerce companies in the world, and the global market size was valued at $9 trillion in 2019. Now that we've covered the 6 most popular copywriting niches, How do you choose the right one for you? One way is to follow the Ikigai concept, a Japanese philosophy that combines what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Your ideal niche should align with these 4 elements. So ask yourself the following questions. What topics or industries are you knowledgeable or passionate about? Do you have previous experience in a specific niche or industry? What companies or brands do you admire and resonate with? And what type of content do you love to consume in your free time? Now, if you're still unsure about what niche to write for, then don't worry. You can always write for multiple niches in the beginning to test the waters and to see which one you enjoy writing about the most. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then consider checking out my Freelance Writer Blueprint online course by visiting startcopywriting.com/freelance writer blueprint or by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.